Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at task 16H. The question says, open the file you saved in task 16G, edit the value axis labels so that they display as currency in dollars set to 2 decimal places. All right. So I want to quickly just open the task 16G, right? So we want this axis already in 2 decimal places. So we want to change it to, we want to make sure it's in dollars, right? So you want to right click and then go to format axis. Now I want to collapse this axis option once again. You want to go to number. So I don't want number from the category. I want currency. So I'll take currency. So already is in 2 decimal places. So the symbol here is naira. So I want to change it to dollars. So I will take United States dollars, right? So, and then you can see that the axis here, the vertical axis has been changed. The values have been changed to dollars, right? Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.